If you run a manufacturing business and you're looking for ways to upgrade and improve, you may need to hire a detective to look for opportunities that you may be missing. They could hunt down valuable ways to optimize and improve your processes, ultimately saving you time and money. Cim50 and Cim200 are advanced add-ons for Sage50 and Sage200 respectively. These systems are designed to simplify and streamline your processes, optimize cash flow, and give you more control over stock management. So let's look at just some of the connected parts of the manufacturing process, search for clues, and see how Cim50 and Cim200 could be the answers you've been seeking. When an order comes in, you need to be able to plan that project from start to finish. The planning module in Cim50 and Cim200 helps you to simplify and streamline stock management. The module can recommend purchase orders and works orders based on the current demand in Sage50 and Sage200. Cim50 and Cim200 both also offer works orders modules. With this module, you can easily raise and assign works orders all from one place. You can also include details of what quantities of stock are needed, which operations are required, raise purchase orders, and dispatch goods to subcontractors quickly and easily. With Cim50 and Cim200, you get a lot more flexibility when it comes to bill of materials, BOMs, within Sage50 and Sage200. Cim50 bill of materials lets you monitor ongoing costing history for manufactured items. This means you can keep better track of the costs of materials, labor, and machine overheads. The system also offers an unlimited number of components and levels for BOMs, so you can easily create BOMs regardless of scale or complexity. The Cim200 bill of materials enhancement expands the functionality of the Sage200 BOM module. It offers you more flexibility and helps you to run the business in the way that you want. With an audit log that tracks changes to the BOMs and costing history, the module aims to give you complete faith in your build and purchase costs to ensure there is no wasted spend. Stock control is a hugely important aspect of any manufacturing business, as you need to know where your stock is at all times. If you find yourself needing to work harder to check stock levels, ensuring supplies are being reordered, or having to deal with an unexpected stock out, then you know how stressful those situations can be. Cim50 and Cim200 both offer stock control modules. These modules allow you to track stock movements, perform stock takes, and include audit logs which track changes to static data associated with a stock record. In the case of the inefficient manufacturing business, it seems that the culprits are planning and visibility. We've analysed the clues, and all the evidence points to embracing a new system. If you are interested in learning more about Cim50 or Cim200, please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with us directly by calling us on 0115 840 5075 or emailing us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.